Hi, my name is Chidima. What if I tell you there is a scholarship program in Abuja where you can learn data skills and become a professional data analyst? Are you eager to dive into the world of data analysis? We've got some incredible news for you. Get ready to register into the next batch of our exclusive data analysis scholarship program, where you will learn introduction to data analysis. You will also learn data analysis using Excel. You will learn data analysis using Power BI. But here is the deal. This is your last chance to register in 2023. Don't miss out on skyrocketing your data analysis skills before the year wraps up. Remember, there are limited slots left. You can call us today to secure your spot. Or better yet, swing by our office and let's get you registered ASAP. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. It is time to level up your data game and make 2023 your year of data success. Are you ready to own the world of data? We're here to make it happen. What are you waiting for? Call us now. See you in class. Bye.